Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about data types, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, data types are used to define the type of data that a variable can hold. The type of data determines the size and layout of the variable's memory, as well as the range of values that can be stored. Here are some of the most commonly used data types in C++. Fundamental data types. Int, integer type that is used for whole numbers. Float, floating point type used for decimal values. Double, double precision floating point type used for large decimal values. Char, character type used for storing a single character. Bool, Boolean type used for true or false values. Derived data types. An array is a collection of variables of the same type stored in a continuous memory locations. A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. Reference. A reference is an alias for an existing variable. A structure is a user-defined data type that can hold variables of different data types. A union is a user-defined data type that can hold variables of different data types, but only one variable can be active at a time. Enum. An enumerated type is a user-defined data type that consists of a set of named constants. C++ also supports user-defined data types such as classes and objects, which allows more complex data structures and abstractions. It is important to choose the appropriate data type for your variables to ensure that the data is stored correctly and efficiently. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.